Clove water benefits at night. Drink this before bed. Most people drink clove water in the day, but the real magic might happen at night. So what happens when you drink clove water before bed? In this video, I will show you the most powerful clove water benefits at night, how it can affect your sleep, your skin, your pain level, and how you feel the next morning. There was a time cloves were worth more than gold. In the 16th and 17th century, cloves were traded like treasures, considered a symbol of wealth. Like if you had cloves back then, you were considered a wealthy man. Cloves were used in trade wars. People traded their gold for clove. And today that same tiny spice is used in most medications, especially pain relief, because of its active compound, eugenol. Benefit number 1, better sleep and relaxation. The potent bioactive compound eugenol, known for its sedative, analgesic, and its anti-inflammatory properties, help calm the nervous system and reduce stress, making it easier to fall asleep. Benefit number 2, skin repair overnight. And here is where it gets more interesting. Your body repairs itself while you sleep. So drinking clove water at night means your body gets access to antioxidants and leveraging its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties while it is in repair mode. This helps fight acne, pimples, free radicals, then boost collagen production, reduce dullness, and improve glow while you sleep. Which explains why I saw such a difference in my skin when I started drinking clove water at night. Benefit number 3, digestion and gut health. If you struggle with bloating and discomfort, this is for you. Another powerful clove water benefit at night is digestion support. Drinking clove water before bed supports digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes and reducing gut inflammation, which help alleviate gas, bloating, and indigestion. Its active compound, eugenol, relaxes gut lining. Its antiseptic properties help regulate bowel health overnight. And when your digestion improves, your skin, energy, hormones, everything improves too. That's just how it is. Benefit number 4, detox and body reset. At night, your body naturally goes into reset mode. Clove bioactive compounds support your body during this process. Benefit number 5, mood and calming effects. Another benefit is how calming it can feel. Clove water at night helps you feel relaxed, less stressed, and more at ease. And when your mind is calm, your sleep improves. Benefit number 6, hair and nail support. This one is not talked about enough, but it works. High concentration of antioxidant like eugenol found in clove. Improve blood circulation, which helps strengthen tissues from inside, like stimulating hair and nail growth and strengthening them. So now you know the truth about clove water benefits at night. From better sleep to digestion to glowing skin to growing hair and stronger nails. And honestly, that's what makes natural remedies so powerful. Welcome to Etta Beauty. My name is Rachel. Over here we glow and grow. So what you need is 7 cloves. Don't do it more than that. You can do less than that. And you need a clove that still has a pot like that is complete. Now you turn that into a clean glass container that has a lid. In there, I pour in some hot water. I boil that water, allow it sit for like 5 minutes before turning it, and allow this for 10 hours. I soak this in the morning, knowing that I'm going to use it at night. So now I'm going to drain it, and then that's the water that I'm going to consume. Sometimes I soak it for 24 hours, but for this particular video, I soaked it for 10 hours. I soaked it in the morning, then drain and soak it at night. So don't use more than 7 cloves. I know I've said that before. You can do lesser than that. You can do 5 or 4 cloves, because cloves are very powerful. So now I'm going to turn that into my glass right there, and then I will drink it. I drink this 3 to 7 times a week. Some weeks I don't even remember, and that's why it's 3 times. So this is my clove water, and we're going to chop this in. Classy me, I'm always going to bring a wine glass to take clove water. Okay, cheers. And there's that feeling again. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. Have you tried drinking clove water at night? I have another video, clove water benefit for women. I also have another video, clove water changed my skin in 7 days. You can check those out. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.